wb&sons got 2023 off to a great start, with the first of its 6 sales this year proving a huge success. From exotica to everyday, plenty of cars found new homes, and these are just some of our highlights. But first, our friends at Lancaster Insurance are running monthly giveaways. You can win all sorts, from experience days to tools, restaurant vouchers and tech. So click the link below at the end of the video to enter their latest competition. First up was a Ford Coupe Generation game, headlined by the 1987 Capri. This extremely late 2.8 injection presented well, sported a lovely stainless exhaust system and sold for a respectable £11,018. Next was the often overlooked Puma. This 2000 1.4 example was mint and looked good value at its hammer price of £2,310. Prefer your coupes more luxurious? Well, the 1977 Daimler Sovereign might have been for you. This top-spec example of the gorgeous Jaguar XJC was in stunning condition, and deservedly it beat its lower estimate to sell for £16,600. Just as charming but altogether more affordable was the 1965 Morris Minor 1000. The Minor has long been the perfect starter classic, and this tidy black example deservedly achieved a £3,762 sale price. Another British saloon, albeit worlds away from the Minor, was the 2006 Jaguar S-Type. Seen here in TDV6 Sport Guys, this one looked the perfect way into some cheap luxury when it sold mid-estimate for £1,430. Of the same era, but far rarer, was the 2002 Alpina B10 V8S. This very late example of the hotted up E39 was mint, and at £10,250 looked a shrewd investment. The hot saloons keep coming. Next was the 2005 Subaru Impreza WRX, refreshingly unmodified apart from some well-chosen alloy wheels. £6,180 found it a new home, and we're struggling to think of a better performance car for the money. If you want your performance in a more exotic wrapper though, there was plenty to choose from, starting with the 1982 Porsche 911 Targa. This oh-so-80s throwback looked tidy and deserved every bit of its £35,500 sale price. Then there was the pair of Ferraris, starting with the immaculate 1995 355 GTS. The lesser spotted Targa model, sporting that lovely gated manual gearbox, drew the crowds, and it's no surprise that it fetched one of WB's highest sale prices yet at £78,000. Of more interest though was the 1983 400i, not because of the blue leather or the car phone, but because ex-Rolling Stone Bill Wyman was its first owner. Unsurprisingly, the provenance fired the 400 beyond its £18,000 to £22,000 estimate, and it sold for £28,600.
To guarantee some satisfaction.
Further down the food chain, but just as successful in the sale, was the charming 1963 Morris 1100. The unusual Fiesta Yellow paintwork and all-round honesty of this early ADO 16 helped it smash a £4,000 to £6,000 estimate. It ultimately sold for £9,675. wb&sons is off to a strong start, with its first auction of 2023 seeing fantastic figures. Head to their website for the full list of results. Do let us know if you bought anything in this auction, and stay tuned for our preview of the next one. This video is proudly sponsored by Lancaster Insurance. Give them a call on 01480 400 889 for an insurance quote on your classic car. And don't forget to click the link below to enter their latest competition.